Right guys, this is just a little quick video. Try to get ready for FIFA 19. Camera's fucked, so that won't be on, but before we start, just a little update on what is going on. Pretty shit, getting evicted out of my house. My landlord lost all his properties, went bankrupt, got 2 weeks to find something, so that's fun. Don't know where we're going to live. I've got 2 kids, young kids, but need to think positive. So what can you do? What can you do? So without further ado, let's just jump into this. Keep it fucking light, you know what I'm saying? Keep it light. I'll show you my little untradeable squad. Not too shabby. Not too fucking shabby, I suppose. That's a card. He is a super sub. Super sub. But yeah, that's a team. What can you do? Let's jump into Foot Champs rewards. See what happens. Just got a shitty silver one. What can you do? Mega pack. Jumbo Premium Gold Players pack. Not too bad. See if we can pack anything half decent. At least we got qualified for this weekend. So that's fun. Looking forward to FIFA 19 Rivals. It should be sexy. That's weird. Why did I say that? Anyway, first pack, mega pack. Let's see what we get. Gold. Ah, fucking knew it. That is pathetic. Who do we get? Not even a board. I can't believe that, man. Wow. Okay. I actually got his what card was it? His Scream card, which is actually pretty decent. Let's just send all that to the club, I suppose. Got a few fitness cards. 5k. Fucking hell, that's pretty decent. Probably the best thing in that pack. Right, is there any promo packs? Fuck me. FIFA is dead right enough. Right, let's jump into this crap. See what's what. Oh my god, that is unbelievable. That, I can't believe that. That's... Who the fuck is this cunt? I'm not even saying that name. That is weird. Two packs and never even got a flipping board. That is unbelievable. Felipe Anderson. I wonder if he goes for anything. Maybe. Fuck it, we'll send him to the club. Who else did we get? Oh, what a load of fucking fish. Jesus, look how many fucking players there was though. Jesus. I'll send him to the club. I don't know why. Fucking no SBCs or fuck all out, I don't think. Let's just check quickly. Marquee motherfucking matchups. What the fuck? I bet they're extortionate to do. Not even good packs as well, man. Wow, won't be doing that. Fuck that shit. I wish they would just bring some packs out or something. Spend some fucking coins. Anyway, right, this is just a little tester just to get ready for FIFA 19. So, yeah, see y'all soon. Hopefully I get a house. Don't know. Might be living on the streets. Fuck it. See ya.